Hello, I'm Mark Glassmeyer and welcome to another Touch and Go product demo. Today we're reviewing the Bush Pilot Flight Bag. The Bush Pilot Flight Bag comes out of our Bush Pilot line, which also features the Bush Pilot Duffel, the Bush Pilot Folio, and the Bush Pilot Rucksack. The Bush Pilot Flight Bag is exactly what it sounds like. It's a true flight bag, whereas the other Bush Pilot items can live that pilot world and your normal day-to-day world. This bag primarily focuses, in our mind, in the flight mission itself. We got a lot of things on this bag for that mission. We've got a place for pen holders here. You can put a fuel tester here, slash pocket, and also we've had some pilots been known to hang their sunglasses off of this small, thinner slash pocket. There's a larger slash pocket here for those of you that still carry charts. On this side is a nice big zipper enclosed pocket with some padding. I prefer to put my Stratus ADS-B receiver in this pocket. Here I have I use a backup radio, but you can also use it for a water bottle if you'd rather have water than a backup radio. On the front we've got a nice zipper slash pocket, cell phone, car keys, that sort of things that you want to get in and out of quickly before and after the flight. Inside is a nice organization pocket with smaller slash pockets attached to a larger slash pocket. So charging cables, cords, backup batteries for your noise canceling headset, that sort of thing can live right there. Inside we have a nice big main cavity that gives you a lot of flexibility. It's got that signature orange Flight Outfitters felt on the inside to keep things from scratching, and it's easy to see items at the bottom of the bag because of that bright interior. The main cavity features two dividers that are removable and adjustable, so you can customize the inside as you'd like. So take this out, have a small cavity, a large cavity, and have 3 cavities, and so on and so on. On the back side, we already talked about the chart things, but underneath it are nice little metal rivets that keep the bag off the ground. So if you're on the ramp and raining or something like that, you're not going to get this nice canvas bag wet necessarily. That's it, the Bush Pilot Flight Bag by Flight Outfitters.